What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have a Jada Elite RC Fast and Furious Brian's Toyota Supra that drifts. We're gonna do an unboxing, and it's coming up right now. Okay, welcome back, No Pro. So here you go. You see the drift car for Brian's Toyota Supra. Comes with batteries. You charge it via USB 2.4 gigahertz with turbo boost. Turbo boost? Yes, turbo boost. We're going to figure out what that's all about in a future video. You have the drift power slide and all that good stuff, but you don't want to hear all that. You just want to see me unbox it. So let's get going. Right here you see we got what looks to be four spare tires. I don't know if those are the rims right here that you see are fake. I don't know if it's going to be real rims behind it, but let's find out. Finally got it open, and as you can see, it is just four spare tires. Very slick, no grip whatsoever, which basically helps you drift. I'm assuming on all kinds of surfaces, because yeah, I don't know exactly where I'm going to drift this car. But from first glance, it's kind of deceiving, because I was like, oh cool, you get rims and tires. But yeah, no, this is just plastic. So moving on. Okay, as you can see here, we got the controller in hand. Not sure what this red button is. I presume that's the turbo boost button. Got your on and off switch here. Control the car here. Oh man, this looks like it's really going to be fun. Put your batteries in there. Yeah, I don't know how to drift, so I'm going to learn how to drift on the RC car. That's going to be cool. Moving on. And what you heard there was the car falling, but that's okay. But these are much better than those freaking wire tires. I mean, jeez. And there we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Toyota Supra, the real, I repeat, the real Toyota Supra, not the Supra BMW that's out there now. But yeah, if I had the money, I would buy it still, even though it is just a BMW. But you know, some people say, oh no, it really is a Toyota. I mean, yeah, in badge only. You pop the hood and BMW. You start the engine, it sounds like a BMW. The interior looks like BMW. Like, the only thing Toyota is the badge. Just saying. This right here was the last real, true, original Toyota Supra. And if we compare it to, let's say, from the movies car, I say it looks pretty much authentic. It's a close likeness. It's probably missing some details. I thought I remember like some wording written along here somewhere, like, but yeah, you know, whatever. What I'm really curious to see is if you got these two knobs right here. I'm wondering if this comes off like a proper RC. So let's find out. Yeah, that would be a no. So underneath here you got charge, pairing. What are you pairing it to? I guess you're pairing it to the controller. Reading instructions may help, but I don't like doing that. So here you got some rubber bands to cut all this jazz, and yeah. So basically, you know, this is what it looks like, and you know, to get a better feel for the car or a better review for the car, we just need to drive it, which will be coming up on the next video. So stay tuned for that. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you taking your time to watch our video, your valuable time to watch our video. Yeah, hit that notification button as well, and like button. That helps out the channel a lot. And stay tuned for the next video, which would be me drifting this guy. Oh, one more thing. I almost forgot. Yeah. What's better than one RC drift car?
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah.